Hail everyone, it's me Leandro Pinheiro, back in the area. Today you can see that I'm not in my studio, right? Sorry for the background noise, I'm at a bakery. My son is back here at the hospital, with that inflammation thing he has on the sternum that causes pain in the chest and such, but calm. He's being medicated there, and then I took the opportunity since I'm away from home to show you here how it is that we can use OpenVPN, right? So I'm going to change it here to the desktop so you can have a look. I'm going to activate the Wi-Fi here, and the Wi-Fi here, it will connect directly here guys on the Wi-Fi here at the bakery where I am. Right, if I open the browser here and open here, for example, YouTube is working normally. But for example, if I try to access my firewall here, it won't open because I'm not connected to the VPN. I've already configured the VPN configuration, how it works and everything, but I wanted to show you here how we use it. So I closed the VPN here. The VPN is already connected. So if I reload here, it will connect to my firewall. I can see here that I have the connection established from this notebook to my home. So here, for example, I can access the WordPress that I'm configuring on the website that I'm making. I can also check, for example, my camera server, right? And we're going to take a look at the camera in front of my house. The camera is there filming the movement. This car that passed by was just filmed there. But the most interesting thing for me here is the possibility for me, for example, to access my laboratory remotely. So I'm going to log in here on my Pi console with the Pi user, and here in this other window I'm going to log in a serial user, and he redirects me directly there to a USB serial that is there on the Raspberry Pi, not USB, right? This serial is using the GPU itself, and I can send a command here and then it turns on the power button on my server, and now we wait a little while it will boot here on my proxy box. So guys, here I can log in here on my next box. So I'll give here a date, the current date, and if I open it here in the browser I can come here, for example, and start one of the machines there in the lab remotely. And that's it, folks. So the VPN with pfSense here. OpenVPN is really cool because it allows you to access your environment, so I can copy the file. I can set up the network mapping, access MaxCloud, access my cameras, access my lab, turn the lab on and off remotely, make a modification, a configuration on the firewall, and that allows me to be able to be there remotely traveling with mobility and continue doing my things safely. Then I'm going to make some videos showing you this whole process of installing HyperSense, creating VPN again. All the things I did here, I'm going to recreate the videos. Some videos that I took from the channel were already a little out of date, and I'm going to try to make the videos more chopped up and shorter too, and focused on the single objective so as not to become too massive a business. Beauty? And it's okay, folks. In a little while he's back home, and taking advantage of the fact that I was going to be here waiting for him to take his medication, which I wouldn't be able to stay there watching, I decided to record this video for you to show how good it is for us to have a VPN for our environment.
It cost people, right?
It cost